Hey everybody, Tim Coates with Ethos Car Care today, introducing a brand new product. Well, not a new product to us, but a brand new formula, which is our leather conditioner. Now, this product cleans and conditions all your leather, vinyl, plastic, and interior surfaces and leaves behind a really nice, supple finish. Now, you may be wondering why you need a leather conditioner when we have our interior detailer as well as our fresh interior cleaner. This is going to be your conditioning product on steroids. This is really designed to help condition and nourish that supple leather feel for long term. It also has UV protection, which is going to help prevent cracking, fading, peeling over time. And we're going to show you just how easy this is to use and how enjoyable this product is and how nice it feels and smells once it is on the vehicle. So we're going to do a little test section here and show you our new leather conditioner product. Now, this leather conditioner is designed for any leather interior surface, whether you have natural cow leather like this Ferrari, if you have plastic artificial leather, things like your Levtex and Mercedes and cars that have synthetic materials. This works in all those, and it helps nourish and protect those surfaces. So I'm going to show you just how easy this is to use. Since it is a clean and protect it in one, there's no need to have to pre-treat your surface. All you're going to do is shake the bottle up really well and apply it on a nice little microfiber applicator. A little bit goes a very long way. And you're just going to work this in to the surface. Now you're going to notice it's going to have a little bit of a sheen to it at the start. This is all the natural beeswax, the lanolin, the vitamin E, all the things your leather surfaces really need to maintain their look long term. And once you apply it, you're going to let it sit and dry, and it's going to restore it to its natural finish. Not going to be overly shiny, not going to be greasy, not going to be slick. It's going to give you a really nice, supple, just like new leather feel. So you're just going to apply just a little bit to the applicator. And you're going to work it into the leather. Like I said, if the leather is really abused and neglected, you can apply multiple coats to it and leave it. But for this demonstration, since this leather is in pretty good shape but needs a little bit of love, we're just going to apply it and we're going to wipe off the residue. Now, the good thing about this leather conditioner over many on the market is that there's no artificial ingredients, so it's not going to leave the leather surface overly shiny or slick like you may experience from some other products out there. So there you have it, guys. Our brand new leather conditioner is back and better than ever. So you may be wondering one more question: how does this fit in our lineup of interior products? Now, we have our interior detailer, which is a good clean and condition product, and our fresh, which is an interior cleaner. This is going to be recommended to be used a couple times, 2 to 3 times a year as your annual maintenance to really give that extra layer of protection, shine, and rejuvenate your surfaces. So this can be paired with a leather and interior cleaner like our fresh or the interior detailer as a whole system start to finish. So there you have it, guys. Very easy to use, really, really high quality product with the best all natural ingredients to make sure your leather interior surfaces look and stay looking their best. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions, comment, leave a message below, and I'll be happy to see you in the next video.